Welcome everybody to radio night. We are responding to a call on a vehicle on the train tracks. There it is. Vehicle right on the train tracks, guys. I know it's kind of blurry because we're... You guys just...
Give one more, I can say 01056 X-ray 3. 512-01056 X-ray
3. Alright, sorry for the... Hold on, guys. Okay, as you can see, there's a van on top of the train tracks here. This is the train tracks. Sorry for the rain. It's really raining. And as you can see, there's the LAPD unit. This is the Harbor Division. As you can see, we're in the harbor area again. We came all the way down from Wilmington, and now we're in
512-01056 X-ray 3. No warrant. 2023 Ford van. Ag Service Company, 537 Cinderella Drive, Paramount.
okay.
Velocity. Runs through the railroad track. Union Pacific DBO is attempting to contact them. Roger, can you please contact them? Let them know we have a vehicle stuck in the track. Roger, stand by.
Okay, guys, it's a company vehicle stuck on the train tracks.
Watching towards passing gauge on Vermont. Suspect vehicles are red 2-door. Clear as possible for the code 3 incident 3643 ID 1248. South traffic unit for the code 3 call identified.
See, there's the van. All right, real quick, guys, I got out. This is on the traffic train track. There's the train line right here. We're on the corner of Western and Torrance Boulevard. This is the area of the Harbor Gateway. As you can see, the LAPD right there assisting the citizens real quick. Always doing a great job, like always. Big shout out to our LAPD in the city of Harbor Gateway. Also the Hollenbeck 77th Division all the way. Alright, there's the van right there, the one that you guys heard on the radio. Stuck on the train tracks. It's raining. Sorry for the you guys. I'm out here in the rain, getting some content for you guys out here, right in the rain. No umbrella. Straight up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is just the news for today. Today is March 5th. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next content. Yeah, be careful out there when it rains. See you guys around.